Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to create this Valentine's makeup look. So yeah, I know I haven't really made any Valentine's videos or any of that. I did have planned to make like at least three makeup looks, but I've been sick for the past 2 to 3 weeks, as you've seen on my not my previous video because that was the Q&A, but like the previous video of that was like my how to look good while sick. That's when I started with my sickness, and then it turned out to have an ear infection, and I'm still getting over it. I could still barely hear anything. So yeah, it sucks if you had an ear infection, especially on both ears. You guys know it freaking sucks. So yeah, I just want to create this look for you guys.
Rude.
Yeah, I just want to create this look for you guys. Something really fast and
Okay, Santiago is like literally being so rude right now. And yes, our rooster has a name. His name is Santiago. Or at least it's that one, because we had 2 roosters. And I think that one's Santiago. I don't know, my sister named him. So, better not talk. He talked.
so yeah, before he even talks anymore, because I know he will. This is the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment any other video requests, and I'll see you guys on my next one. So for this look on the eyes, I'm going to be using only one palette, and that's the Jaclyn palette. And right now, I'm just using the shade Puder on my crease, and what I'm going to be doing on one eye, obviously, I'm going to be doing it on the other eye. So yeah, just blend, blend, blend. So now I'm going to be using the second shade from the palette, which is the shade Jax, and it's like the perfect burgundy shade for the lid, especially for Valentine's Day. If you want to do like a burgundy makeup look like I am doing right here. So I did my lashes and my liner like off camera because you know those are like the hardest ones. So yeah, I'm using my Hard Candy Perfect Primer all over my face, and now after that I'm gonna be going with my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Warm Beige. You know, you guys, I love this foundation. This is my favorite high-end foundation. Like, I mean, look how flawless it's leaving my skin. Like, perfect. So now I'm going to be going with the shade Puder and Jax together on my lower lash line. And just do it on the other eye as well. Now with the mascara, it's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And like I said, this is my favorite one. And now I'm going with the shade Beam and Light from the Jaclyn palette, and those are like the perfect inner highlight I just love them. Like my eyes actually look really good. Those lashes are really like poppin'. And I don't have the name of them because I bought them on, what's it called, Amazon. But I will link them down below for you guys. They were only like $10 and they're like the 3D mink lashes. Now for the lips, I am going with the NYX Lip Tease in the shade Fire Dancer, and it's like the perfect burgundy. I don't know, like I just thought burgundy lips will look really good with this eye look as well, and it did. I really do like it. So now we are just done with the whole makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.